How to crop video on Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can crop video on Instagram story. Now, the process itself is pretty simple and easy to go through. As you know, if you try to upload a video on story that is longer than 1 minute on Instagram, then it'll automatically upload the first 60 seconds of your video. Now, if you have a video longer than that and you want to upload the other part of it, the mid part or the end part, or you want to crop it and upload it, then here is how you can do so. First, you want to open up Instagram. You want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and on the post option, you want to select the video that you wish to upload. Remember, it is on the video option. Then you want to tap on next. Once you tap on next, you want to tap on the edit video option at the bottom left corner of your screen, and now you can select the video from here on the screen and then crop it to the part that you wish to upload to your story. Then you can tap on arrow icon at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on the save icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on save, it'll get saved. Then you can head over to the story option, and here now you can select the media that you just cropped, the video file, and then you can upload it. So this is the way that you can crop video on Instagram story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.